Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Thank you for following the channel, guys. Today's video will be on I have 5 low cap altcoins that I think can 10x by March. I have 5 low cap altcoins that I think can 10x by March. So I want to give you guys those coins and give you guys a chance to get into those coins. Okay, so I'm just going to go over it quickly. I'm not going to waste your time. I will say, if you like our channel, click the like button. Also hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. And let's get into the coins. The first coin is RREEV. RREEV is a coin that I'm very bullish on. I think that currently it's $8.54. The market cap is a little high. It's $559 million market cap. But one of the reasons I like it is because the max supply is 66 million tokens. Once again, the max supply is 66 million tokens. And the total supply, it's the supply that's already released is 65 million. 65.4 million has already been released. So most of the tokens have already been released. And I think this is a really good thing. And also I like RREEV because it's already on Binance, it's already on Coinbase, it's already on some of those major exchanges already. And RREEV is permanent information storage, which I think we're going to need because some of humanity's most important data we want to have decentralized and not, central, not censored by the government. So RREEV, I think that's really important what they're doing. So I'm bullish on it because RREEV is a permanent ledger to store data online, available to everyone without that data being censored or scrubbed by centralized services. So I think RREEV is really going to be something that has a potential potential to really grow. So I'm big on RREEV. I think RREEV can be really good. Okay. RREEV is like Bitcoin but for data, so it's gonna be pretty cool. And I'm not gonna go over everything here, but if you definitely check it out, you'll definitely see the potential of RREEV and why it's so good. The second coin I really like is Power Ledger. Power Ledger is 30 cents right now. Market cap 1.56 billion. 1.56 million is the market cap. Power Ledger has a circulating supply of 512 million, total supply of 1 billion. So about 50% of the supply hasn't been released yet. But I also like this company. Power Ledger has a tremendous clean energy agenda, and I like what they do, what they're doing with blockchain. And another reason why I think the Power Ledger can go higher is the all-time high for Power Ledger. I believe it's like almost $2. Yeah, it's like $1.79. I didn't go. Oh, RREEV's all-time high was $82, right? So RREEV's only $8.50 now, so that could be an easy 10x. But Power Ledger's all-time high is about, I think, $1.80. It's currently at 30 cents, so a 10x could be coming. But I think Power Ledger now allows you to stake Power, and I think the staking is going to drive the price up. So that's just something to watch out for. You go to the website, you can stake Power now. That's something that I think would drive the price up for Power Ledger. Okay, so our third coin is Origin Trail. Origin Trail is 68 cents right now. The market cap is $277 million. The circulating supply is 402 million. The total supply is 500 million. I like that. 80% of the 80% of the total supply is already out. I like that about Origin Trail. Origin Trail is also on major exchanges such as Coinbase and KuCoin and Uniswap and Binance US. You can get Origin Trail there. But what I also like about Origin Trail is they have an AI ready, brand. They have partnerships with Walmart, Google, and they help track, counterfeit. They help make sure that things are actually what they say they are, basically. So they basically can help with counterfeit, making sure and giving you information on making sure that the product that you have is actually what it says it is. So I would let you guys research it more, but it's a really good product, and what they do is really good, and it's going to help change the world. And they have, like I said, they have a real world products. This is a real crypto coin that I would invest in as well. Origin Trail at 68 cents right now. The fourth coin I like is Blacktopia. This is more of a gaming metaverse play, and I like Blacktopia because I'm bullish on it because it's basically a decentralized metaverse built on Polygon, and I love it because in this metaverse you can play and earn and connect your wallet and do all these cool things. I just think it's going to be, this metaverse is going to be really cool, and I think it's the fact that it's on Polygon is really going to change the game. So I really want you guys to check out this one. I'm not going to go into it too deeply, but I do like it. I think Blacktopia, like I said, the circulating supply, I don't like the circulating supply is 17 billion. The total supply is 117 billion. So I feel like there's a lot of supply that's not actually been, taken up yet. It's on the Binance Smart Chain as well. I think it's on, what market is it on? It's on KuCoin, QuickSwap. Yeah. Definitely one to check out though. Check out Blacktopia. You'd be surprised. I think Blacktopia is one to check out. And this is one of the smaller market cap ones that I like. The fifth coin is Shipping. Shipping has a circulating supply of 2.2 billion. Total supply is 100 billion. Market cap though is really small. Market cap is only 8.6 million. Small market cap. It is, at one point this coin was up to 4 cents at the bull market, and right now it's at 0.003 cents. So there's a lot of room to grow with this coin. Another thing that's good about this coin is already on Coinbase. It can be pumped. It's already on Coinbase as well. Shipping is a cryptocurrency token fueling tomorrow's shopping ecosystem. So Shipping is one that I like as well, just to let you guys know. If you want to check it out for yourself and see what you think about it, that's great. But those are some of the low cap coins I like to 5 or 10x very soon. Check them out. Thank you for following the channel. Like I said, you can go to Crypto Millionaire Academy, where I give crypto signals, and I have our Discord group, and I give you guys all of my inside low cap market coins, and you can just click join now to join the Discord group, and you get all of that information. Put your name and email there and your card number, and you'll get all of that information. Okay, guys, you'll get those signals. Okay, thank you so much for following Crypto Millionaire Academy. Appreciate your support. Like the video, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you.